This is the 2023-2024 Rad membership kit from RadRabbit. Let's see what's inside. So let's cut it open and see what's inside. It's $168 for the membership kit, and then $50 for the add-on t-shirt, running tee. This looks like the Rad tee, which is an additional $50. See what comes with the kit. This is the running singlet, which they expect you to run during your races or training. Now, based on the color itself, it doesn't look exactly the same as what was shown on the website. It does seem a little bit lighter in the color. Okay, these are socks, running socks from RNR. I never wore these before. I probably won't wear them for races, but it looks nice. Now this race bag looks pretty nice. Probably won't use it, but it does look nice. Training log. Yep, training log looks nice. I log all my training running events on Excel sheet, so I probably won't use this, but it does look nice. Wow, this hat looks pretty unique. It's a mesh running hat, which seems really nice. Too bad I asked them if I could purchase spare hats, since I run 5 to 6 times a week. And then, yeah, I would like to have additional hats if possible, but this does look really nice. Let's see what else. Oh, a bottle. Okay. Rad bottle. Let's see what else. Packing slip, 2 stickers. Okay, it's like a welcoming card. Yep, it does seem nice. $168 is a lot of money, but overall, I would say, since it's a limited edition, I think about maybe they probably make less than 600 of these. So, not sure what the member size is, but I would assume it's under 1,000. But yeah, $168 plus $50 for the race tee. Hopefully I can get another one, since I burn through clothes really fast. Here you have it.